to the crop care series in the Sprout Up I6111 YouTube channel. In this series, our aim is to help you grow your crops by providing the steps in planting and tips while growing your desired crop. Stay tuned to this series by clicking the notification bell. We will post every Sprout Up Wednesday. For this episode, we will discuss how to grow okra. Make sure to finish this episode up to the very end because we will reveal awesome tips in the end. Okra is a warm season vegetable commonly known as gumbo or lady's fingers. Minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber are all abundant in it. It has a sticky liquid within that is used to thicken sauces. First of all, you need to decide on how you're going to start your seedlings. You can start sprouting your seeds in small pots or seed trays and transfer them soon. You can also start by sowing it. It is easier to plant okra in your garden patch rather than beginning it inside if you reside somewhere with warmer summers and moderate winters. Plant the okra seeds in early spring, when the nighttime temperature does not go below 55 degrees. To start, here are the steps in planting okra. First, select the sunniest location in your garden. Okra grows in broad, hot sunlight. If you try to plant it in a shaded location, it will yield very little fruit, if it survives at all. Okra should be grown in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Don't worry about it becoming too hot. Okra blooms at its optimum during the summer, when the sun is at its hottest. Next, check the pH of the soil. Okra grows best on soil with a pH range of 6.5 to 7.0. Check the pH level of your soil to see if it's in the right range. To raise the pH of the soil, use limestone or bone meal. If you don't want to use severe means to modify the pH of your soil, simply work in lots of compost, which will bring the pH level closer to neutral or 7. Third, nourish your soil. Okra grows on nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Compost, bagged organic fertilizer, or 4-6-6 delayed-release fertilizer can all help to improve your soil. Lastly, sow the seeds or transplant seedlings. It's time to grow okra in your garden as the weather warms up. If you are using seeds to be planted directly, sow your seeds 4 inches, 10.2 centimeters, apart, at a depth of 1/2 inch, 1.3 centimeters. On the other hand, if you are transplanting, be gentle with the seedlings and space them 1 foot, 0.3 meters, apart in 3 foot, 0.9 meters rows. Dig a hole big enough to contain the root balls and pat the dirt around them carefully. To ensure your success, here are some tips in growing okra. 1. For a fruitful yield, plant in places with warm day and evening temperatures during the summer. 2. Select a spot in full sun with healthy soil and plenty of space. 3. Ensure that the soil is loose enough to support big roots. 4. To speed up germination, you can soak your seeds overnight the night before planting, or freeze them to crack the shells. 5. Plant seeds in a peat seed starter and keep them well hydrated to start seeds inside. 6. To keep them warm throughout the germination phase, place them in a warm, sunny room or use grow lamps. Maintain a temperature of 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. 7. When transplanting seedlings, be careful not to break their delicate taproots. The seedlings will not grow if they are crushed. 8. Water and weed on a regular basis. Before we reveal the last tip, have you subscribed yet? If not, why not hit that subscribe button and like this video for more content like this? Alright, going back, for the last tip, watch out for beetles, corn earworms, aphids, root knot nematodes, and fungus. These are examples of pests and illnesses in okra. And there you go, the steps and tips in growing okra. We hope that this guide helped you. What do you think of this crop care guide? What crops would you like us to feature next? If you have any comments or suggestions, just comment below. Do not forget to like this video, hit that notification bell button, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook community, Sprout Up Journeys, where we can share our gardening journeys, our successes and failures. In this community, we can help each other out and learn together because we are #BetterTogether. That's all for this episode. Have an awesome day and continue to sprout up.